Hi! In this video I will walk you through how to add emergency address into your Teams tenant. Let's get to it. Alright, once you logged into Teams admin center, scroll down and select the locations menu, which expands out, and then select emergency addresses. It will take you to the table, which will list all the existing emergency addresses you have configured within your Teams and show some information about those. To add new address, we select Add option. Let's start with typing a name for that address, and I will just use demo address. And then we need to select the country we want to add the address for. I'm going to use the United Kingdom, and that then brings up the address input screen. So I'm going to use 11th Downing Street, this one in London, and you can see Teams fills the details in and pops up Bing map, showing with the pin the address to verify if it is the correct one. Then we still have two other fields, the organization name, which will be populated by organization name associated with your Teams tenant. And of course you can enter a different organization name if you want to recognize a different part of your business or a sub-brand that you may have. And then there is Ellen field. For Operator Connect we do not use Ellen, so just keep this field blank. Once you're happy with all the details in this page, just click Save. And that will take us to emergency addresses screen. Now you can see we got a demo address at the top. It is in the United Kingdom and the address that I have just typed in, and currently doesn't have any phone numbers or users associated with it. And now I will talk you through how to add an emergency address in case if Teams cannot find your exact location in the Bing's map. So again, we start just with clicking Add. So let's call it demo address 2. In this example I'm going to use United States, and I'm going to start by typing 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. And as you can see, there is no address found. So I will slide the input address manually slider to on, and now we have two extra fields to fill. Super simple, we just need to type in the street, city, state, and the zip code. And here it becomes interesting. Now you will also see we need to complete the latitude and longitude fields. The easiest way of doing that is using something like Google Maps. Just get your address in and there you can find all the details. So I will switch to Google Maps, and as you can see I've already found 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. And if I right click on that, you can see I got all the data I need. Now let's get back to Microsoft Teams. I've got the input screen again here, so we can enter data to do decimal places in this field. Again, UC Showcase has been pre-populated in my example, but you can overtype that if you want to put a specific name to that location in the organization field. And one more time we leave ELIN blank, then I click Save, and there you can see I got my second demo address in the United States. Again, we currently don't have any phone numbers or voice users associated with this site. So those are two ways you can add emergency addresses into your Teams, and if you are asked to provide us with the location ID for an address, then again you come to the emergency addresses page, click on the site you need data for, and here you can find the location ID. Pretty easy, right? I hope I was able to help you with this video guide, and please go check our user adoption hub. We have more guides and useful assets for you. Bye.